Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me here. Today we are in Danang, Vietnam at the Dragon Bridge. And when I tell you that this was so exciting to experience, it was just so amazing from arriving there. Like within 10 minutes, we were able to get out the car, and there were so many people around, but it was just a very seamless process. And in visiting the Dragon Bridge, it is where you are on this bridge and the dragon spits out fire, and then it spits out water, and you can just like feel the heat coming from the dragon. It gets really super hot, and so some people, they want to experience the splash of the water. So if you want to get wet, you're able to, if you're close, you're able to get sprayed by the dragon with the water. It was just a great experience. There was a market right across the street, and so you're able to experience like all the different food vendors and, you know, shopping while you're basically waiting for the dragon to come on. Now the dragon only spits out fire and water on the weekends. This video, as much as we enjoyed our time at the Dragon Bridge. Let's get into it. I'm sure. Tonight we're in Danang, Vietnam, heading toward one of the city's most iconic landmarks, the Dragon Bridge. And every weekend, this riverside transforms as people gather to watch the dragon breathe fire and water into the night sky. As we get closer, the crowds grow. Street vendors, music, balloons, and food stalls line the sidewalks. Traffic slows to a crawl, and excitement fills the air. This isn't just a bridge. Tonight, it's a stage. People begin taking their places along the railings. Cameras come out, phones go up. The smell of street food drifts through the air. Seafood grilling, Ben Ma being toasted. Lights weave through the crowd, and everyone is here for the same reason. Cameras come out, phones go up. If you want a good view, you gotta get here early. When the dragon wakes up, there's no room left. The lights shift across the bridge. The body glows gold, green, and orange like a living creature. When the dragon wakes up, there's no room left. The lights shift across the bridge. The body glows gold, green, and orange like a living creature. The smoke begins to roll out. The crowd reacts. This is the moment we have all been waiting for. We're standing shoulder to shoulder with the crowd, waiting for the dragon to strike. The atmosphere is electric. It feels like the whole city pressed pause just for this. The dragon's chest lights up. Smoke pours out. Something's coming. Heat you can feel even from here. It is so hot. The crowd gasps and cheers. A second burst, even bigger. Flames paint the sky orange as the city glows beneath it. Phones everywhere try to catch the moment. And behind us, the neon of the street blurs into motion, but all eyes stay forward Nothing matters right now. The flames fade and the dragon shifts. The fire was only the beginning. Now comes the water. Danang doesn't just show you a landmark, it gives you an experience. Loud, bright, crowded, chaotic, and unforgettable. This is the Dragon Bridge. This is Danang, Vietnam. If you have not been to the Dragon Bridge, you must go. It's an exciting time and an exciting event.